Welcome. If you're tired of being interrupted by constant notifications in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable those permanent notifications and enjoy a more focused browsing experience. First, let's open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on your desktop or laptop, as this process is specific to those devices. Once your browser is up and running, look to the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll want to click on the three dots. This icon represents the menu, and it's where all the settings you need are located. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, go ahead and click on Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then select Site Settings from the options presented. This section allows you to manage permissions for different websites. Now, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on this option to access your notification settings. Here, you'll see a list of sites that are allowed to send you notifications. To disable those pesky permanent notifications, simply toggle off the option that says, Sites can ask to send notifications. This action will prevent any website from sending you notifications in the future. If you prefer a more selective approach, you can also manage individual site permissions. Under the same notifications section, you'll find two lists, one for sites allowed to send notifications and another for those blocked. You can remove sites from the allowed list if you no longer wish to receive their notifications. Once you've made your selections, you're all set. Close the Settings tab and continue browsing without those annoying interruptions. By following these straightforward steps, you can regain control over your browsing experience in Google Chrome. Enjoy a cleaner interface and a more productive online environment.